So today I'm gonna do a what I eat in a day. I've already had some coffee with a little bit of almond milk. And then also I found this, I think it's by the brand, this. I'm not a big like pumpkin spice gal, but this is really, really good. There's no sugar added or anything, but it's coconut cream and almond milk, and it is pumpkin spice flavored. So it's really good. I guess technically I don't intermittent fast, but I will go to the gym like on an empty stomach with like just a little bit of almond milk in my belly, and then I will come back and eat. Some days I need to eat before the gym, like I can't take it, but today I'm feeling okay. But like the other day I needed to eat before I went to the gym. And I'm also on a little mini cut right now, so I'm eating pretty low calorie for what I've been eating. So I will see y'all when I get back from the gym. Okay, so here is my first meal of the day. It's probably my favorite. I guess the eggs aren't my favorite. I try to eat these really fast because I don't like absolutely love eggs, but it's just an easy way to get my protein in. So I really love the oatmeal. So I really eat this fast and then enjoy this. All right, bon appetit. Okay, so now it is snack time. I'm gonna go run some errands, and I like to eat before. Usually I would do boiled eggs or some kind of protein with apples and almond butter, or sun butter actually. I've switched over to sun butter, it's so good. But actually out of eggs, so I'm just gonna have some apples and sun butter, and then when I get back I will eat the boiled eggs because I'm gonna go get some eggs. So I just want to share how I measure almond butter or sun butter. So I'm doing a tablespoon. So that is 16 grams. So I'm gonna set it on the scale. This is only if you are counting your calories, but honestly I would suggest doing this even if you aren't, because nut butter calories can definitely add up. So you set it on the scale, you zero the scale out, and then you get a spoon and you wait for the scale to say -16. Mine says 15. Now 17. It doesn't have to be perfect, but okay, -16. So that is a tablespoon. So then I don't have to dirty up a measuring measuring spoon. It just makes it so much easier. Okay, so here is my snack. Like I said, usually I'll have boiled eggs with it, 4 boiled eggs, and I actually make them in the air fryer, but I will show you that when I get back with eggs. So I'm gonna enjoy this. Okay, so I already put the raw eggs in my air fryer. So now I'm going to, I didn't do anything special to them. I literally just sat them in there. So you're gonna put it on your lowest temperature. So it is 250, and then 16 minutes. And then you just walk away and they'll be done in 16 minutes, but they do have to cool off, so it's super easy though. So while I'm waiting for my eggs to boil or air fry, whatever you want to say, I'm eating half a serving of these. They are so good. I think you can only get them at Whole Foods, but they're by Lesser Evil, and they're completely paleo. There's no cheese. The ingredients are awesome in them, but I love them. They're so good. So I wouldn't say that boiled eggs are like my favorite thing to eat, but they are an easy way to get some protein in. And when you're trying to cut weight, it's like they just help keep you full. So I'm gonna try to enjoy these. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a green protein smoothie. So this is a tricky way for me to get my vegetables in. You cannot taste the spinach. I swear you can't taste it. And PE Science, this is probably like the best vegan protein that I have ever tasted. But if you know of any good ones, please let me know, because I would love to discover a new one. I'm actually only have like a scoop or so left, so I'm debating if I want to try another one or if I just want to keep buying this brand. So I'm gonna drink this smoothie. The next thing will be dinner time, so I'll see you then. Okay, so it is about 6:55 and I'm about to make dinner. I'm gonna have pasta, some turkey meatballs that I prepped, and a side salad that I prepped. So here is my last meal or snack of the day. It is just some frozen blueberries and some unsweetened almond milk. If you like this type of video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more like these, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the flip side.